falls below 90,000, ending its long streak of consolidation. How will it develop? Will it fall deeper or will it rise again? In this video, I give you some forecasts. I hope you will have a good trading day. After the hack of the Bitcoin broker Bybit, a total amount of 20,190 Bitcoins has been drained from Bybit's reserve from Friday to Tuesday, and now some saying they might be not a hack but money laundering. As the CEO of Bybit says, he doesn't know how it happened. This was mostly because the exchange did not stop withdrawals after the Ethereum hack, and investors tend to withdraw funds given to the uncertainty in the markets. In an interview, James Toledano, he is the Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet, said that a major security breach at Bybit hasn't helped on the sentiment front, shaken investor sentiment, leading to broader sell-offs across crypto assets. So that means that Bitcoin price broke out of its prolonged consolidation phase last week, slipping below 94 first, getting marked again to 95,000, closed below 93, closed below 91,552 after 4.89% decline in less than 24 hours. And at the time of making this video, it's continuing to fall deeper, more down. Now, some influencers trying to find any evidence, reports or whatever to say this is just a technical correction. Guys, be alert, be awake, just trust your eyes, what you see, what the market does. Ignore all those videos, because at this point of the market, if you see that, or if you listen to those people, you will lose a lot of money. Just see how the market started to make lower lows and lower highs, making some correction, and at this point the people telling you that buy the deep, buy the deep, buy the deep. You see the market goes on and then falls again because it's hinting the stops. So at this level you need to be very realistic. The very important point of 88,798, which has been broken, was the stop hints or the stops of the bulls. With other words, the last resort of the bulls has been broken. Before that, the price of 90,541 and then 88,798 was the last resort where the bulls started to attack the market, and it doesn't happen again. Why? Because it has broken and the market seems to make no pullbacks. That means at this level, the bulls are much more realistic. They have been withdrawing their funds, closing possibly their long positions, and turned themselves to the bears on the other side, much more bears coming in the market. With other words, the selling pressure is increasing. What are the next targets? The next targets are, first of all, 87,636. When it breaks, the market will go to 85,719. After that, the market will test 84,760. And from that level, 84,760, the market will fall very fast to 80,838. Why? Because in between there is a very thin volume, and the price of 84,760 is the long-term 61.8 Fibonacci, which will be broken. And before reaching that point on 11th November of the last year, the market jumped from 80,576 to that level. So without stopping, or with other words, having a thin value in between. From that level, the market will fall down to 76,741. The next step target will be at 74,562. And then the market will straight go down to very important 69,420. This is the second last resort of the bulls, and if they don't defend that point, the market will go back to 65,323 and then 61,942. If we will have no reactions and we will have much more bearish news, as this year is dictated by just one word, tariffs, and that magic word is crashing all the markets down, from stocks up to crypto. So this level will not be sustainable anymore. The price will not be remained no more longer at this level, and then Bitcoin will fall down to 57,740, 55,125, and then at very magic point 49,547. Latestly here, the bulls must start to push up the market, because below that is the bullish territory. And if the bears smell there will be no, or with other words, weak defense of the bulls, the market will crash down to below 30,000, down to 28,754. A recovery of the market now upsides for the bulls. In case we will have a correction, the market will come back to 92,779, 96,439, 97,050, and 99,316, near of 100,000. A break above that will lead Bitcoin to 100,000 and 187, 102,018, finally to 102,453, and if broken that, it will go back to 106,219. These levels are very important. Why? Because these are exactly the levels where the bears attacked the bulls, or vice versa, the bulls defended their positions and pushed back the bears. So keep putting your stops, go with trend, because at this moment the trend of Bitcoin is down. It is a bearish trend. And ignore the influencers on YouTube. If you don't exactly know they are professional traders or they have a very experienced and proven knowledge of the market. Not everybody who can define the charts or can read charts is on the same time a professional trader. His results prove his ability to act actively and very immediately fast in the markets, and also to react when the markets turn. Listening to those videos is of course funny, but following those advices to make money will ruin your account definitely. So keep it always in mind, be alert, and have a good trading time.